Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how you can actually add HTML and JavaScript to your website. Now, you may not be an expert in these areas, but it is flexible enough to be able to have some special coding. And if you wanted anything fancy, you can pay for people to produce this coding for you and add it to your website. So it's not a case of just actually adding the various widgets that are available. You can actually add some coding. I've uploaded here a templated website here. I may wish to have some flashing text here. So to add this, I can add some HTML code or JavaScript code. To do this, I go over to widgets and I type in HTML, or I can scroll down to the bottom to the advanced and drag in the HTML. So I'm looking for something, I'm looking to have some flashing text up here to draw their attention to the user. I go on the internet and I'm looking for something like blinking text. That will do. So I'm going to scroll down to the code. I'm going to close these adverts. So I'm going to highlight the code, Control C, copy all. Go over to here and paste it in here, Control V, and update. And here we have something flashing now. Limited time offer. You need to change the parameters of this, you will need to understand some coding, but like I said, you can actually employ somebody to do this. Fiverr.com is pretty good, pretty cheap for people to do some coding for you. You can actually change the design of this as well. You can give it a different background color. So the background color is the actual row. You can give it a border. You can give it some animation. There are two triggers, entrance and scroll. Entrance means that when you hit this part of the page, it will actually trigger the event, and we might want it to fade in. We can give it a duration and delay, and we can preview the animation. And we might want to give it some spacing. As you can see, the code is quite close to the border here. I might want to put at the top and bottom 20 pixels. And let's preview this. That's how you add coding to your website.